here introduction to the inorganic reaction mechanism. Then in concept with the classical inorganic reactions which occurs at that is the metal centers in the coordination complexes. This approach to chemistry depends on the chemical basis in terms of a central atom, then surrounded by the number of the ligands which constitute the coordination cell. Then coordination numbers means how many number of the ligands are surrounded by that central atom. And the geometry. Geometry means relative position of the ligands within that coordination cell, and last one oxidation number. My friends, यहाँ पे inorganic reaction mechanism में what is important? Important is that like that is the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry में कार्बन एज अ रिएक्टिव रिएक्शन सेंटर रहता है. यहाँ पे inorganic chemistry में मेटल एज अ रिएक्टिव सेंटर रहता है. मेटल आयन जो रहता है inorganic कॉम्प्लेक्सेस में वो रिएक्टिव सेंटर रहता है. दूसरी आप यहाँ पे सेकंड थिंग है वो लिगैंड्स कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल में जो रहता है उसके डिपेंड्स इसका क्लासिफिकेशन डिपेंड रहता है. तीसरा है कि कितना नंबर ऑफ द लिगैंड्स कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल में है. और बाद में है ज्योमेट्री, वो जो लिगैंड्स है वो कौन सा पोजीशन में सिस या ट्रांस पोजीशन में, एंड ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ द सेंट्रल मेटल एटम. So purpose of this classification, inorganic reaction mechanism can be divided into three main categories. First one, reaction involving the coordination cell. Second one, reaction involving the oxidation state. And third one, reaction involving the ligand. यहाँ पे जो inorganic reaction का classification है वो three main categories में किया है. First है रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग द कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल. कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल में जो रिएक्शन होता है उसके बारे में. दूसरा है ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में, ऑक्सीडेशन जो स्टेट है सेंट्रल मेटल आयन का या सेंट्रल मेटल एटम का वो चेंज हो जाता है, वो सेकंड टाइप है. और थर्ड है सपोर्ट भी रिएक्शन लिगैंड में रिएक्शन कोई हो जाता है तो वो थर्ड टाइप है रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग द लिगैंड. तो वी डिस्कस हियर वन बाय वन द रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्विंग द कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल, देन चेंज इन द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर and reaction involving the ligand. Then first, reaction involving the coordination cell. In this reaction further classified into 5 types. First one, increase the coordination number, means suppose to be reactions are taking place in inorganic complexes, then incoming nucleophile is attack on the central metal ion and never ligands will be replaced. There only addition reaction takes place and therefore coordination number will be increased. Second, decrease the coordination number, that is the elimination reaction. Suppose if one of the ligands lose from that complex and change the geometry of that complex maybe, and also coordination number, suppose to be 6 coordination number, then that converted to the 5 coordination number, that is a trigonal bipyramidal geometry, or maybe that is a trigonal bipyramidal geometry converted to the square pyramidal or the tetrahedral complexes. Here one of the ligand is eliminated from the coordination cell. Third, ligand replacement. Here ligand replacement means one of the ligand is replaced by the other, and that reactions are known as the substitution reaction. Third one, change in the geometry. Only position of the ligands will be changed and therefore that change the geometry of the complex and change the relative position of the ligands. Yes, maybe it is a cis or the trans. In constant change in the geometry, here you see square planar complexes is converted to the tetrahedral complexes, that is a change in the geometry. Here you see, I taken one example, trimethyl borane is a react with is trimethylamine. Then you see here coordination number of the boron is the 3, and here also that is in consider the nitrogen, that is the coordination number is also that is the 3. After the addition, coordination number of the boron as well as the nitrogen becomes of 4. And here you see also here geometry is a trigonal planar that will be converted to the, maybe it is a tetrahedral or the that is a square planar. Here generally that is a tetrahedral, and here you see addition, never here that is a replace the ligand or limit the ligand. Yes, only addition, and therefore coordination number is changed, geometry is also changed. Then in concern with that is the change in the geometry, here you see square planar is converted to the tetrahedral, that is the interconversion of the 4 coordinate bases. And therefore in this category or in this that is the classification, most important reaction in inorganic chemistry, that is ligand replacement reaction, that is the substitution reaction. Then second type of the reactions involving the change in the oxidation state. You know that during here that is the maybe electron is transferred from the one complex into another complex, and that is change the oxidation state or oxidation number of the both metal ions in that complexes. Then that reaction generally is known as that is a redox reaction. Means one of the complexes act as a reductant, other is act as the oxidant. You know that what is meant by oxidant? Oxidant means yes, that species can be oxidized to the other species. Yes, what that causes the oxidation of the other species, that species is known as oxidant. And reductant means or reducing agent means the species which that is reduced to the other species, causes the reduction of the other species, is known as reducing agent. Here concept of the coordination number and the coordination geometry is real, but concept of the oxidation number is a man-made. Then in that redox process means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Here redox process takes place with a complete retention of the coordination cell and simply electron is transferred from the reductant to oxidant. यहाँ पे देखिए ये सेकंड टाइप ऑफ द रिएक्शन जो है, इसमें क्या होता है, रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन टेकिंग प्लेस बिटवीन द टू कॉम्प्लेक्सेस. खाली जो कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल है वैसा ही रहता है, उसमें कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर या ज्योमेट्री उसका चेंज नहीं हो जाता है. खाली दो कॉम्प्लेक्सेस एक दूसरे के पास आते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो जाता है रिडक्टेंट टू द ऑक्सीडेंट. यहां पे मैंने एक एग्जांपल दे दिया है, इस हेक्सासाइनो फेरस and triphenolethrin ferric ion. Here you see in this hexacyano ion complexes, iron is present in +2 oxidation state. In triphenolethrin ion complex, iron is present in +3 oxidation state. And after the reaction, here you see this iron present in hexacyano complex in a +3 oxidation state, and this is present in a +2 oxidation state. In a phenolethrin complexes, that iron is present in +2 oxidation. That means electron is transferred from the ferrous cyanide complex to the phenolethrin complexes. Yes, that is R, and therefore oxidation number is changed from the +2 to the +3 and +3 to the +2. Here you see coordination number, ligands also that is the same, only electron is transfer from the Fe2+ ions to the Fe3+ ions, means reductant to the oxidant. Always you be remember that यहाँ पे जो iron +2 है इन cyanide complex में and phenolethrin complex में iron +3 है, यहाँ पे cyanide complex जो है iron +2 इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर हो जाता है iron 3+ and therefore ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर चेंज हो गया है. यहाँ पे ये रिएक्शन है रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. यहाँ पे आप देखिए जो साइनाइड कॉम्प्लेक्स है उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर सेम है और लिगैंड्स भी सेम है, लिगैंड में कोई भी बदलाव नहीं आया है. तो यहाँ पे जो बोला है कि रिटेंशन ऑफ द कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल, ओनली सिंपली इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द रिडक्टेंट टू द ऑक्सीडेंट. Then redox reaction can be subdivided as electron transfer with no disturbance of the coordination cell, that is outer sphere electron transfer reaction. And second, the process requires sharing of the ligand, electron transfer through that bridge. That reactions are known as the inner sphere electron transfer reaction. यहाँ पे जो redox reaction है वो दो टाइप का रहता है, वो आउटर स्पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर रिएक्शन एंड इनर स्पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर रिएक्शन। तो आउटर स्पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर में क्या हो जाता है कि दो जो कॉम्प्लेक्सेस है वो कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल के थ्रू नजदीक आता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द वन रिडक्टेंट टू द ऑक्सीडेंट कॉम्प्लेक्सेस। और यहां पे सेकंड जो है उसमें क्या रहता है, दो कॉम्प्लेक्स के बीच में एक लिगैंड रहता है, वो फॉर्म्स अ ब्रिज बिटवीन दैट इज द reductant and oxidant and electron is transferred through that bridge, that is second type। यहां पे देखिए मैंने एग्जांपल ले लिया है हेक्सामाइन कोबाल्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स का एक एग्जांपल है और क्रोमियम कॉम्प्लेक्स। यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है क्रोमियम प्रेजेंट इन +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में और कोबाल्ट जो है वो +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में। यहां पे रिडक्टेंट है क्रोमियम एंड ऑक्सीडेंट है कोबाल्ट। तो इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द क्रोमियम टू द कोबाल्ट है। तो यहां पे देखिए कोबाल्ट इन हियर दैट बिकम्स अ +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, दैट बिकम्स अ +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है और क्रोमियम इन +3 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। तो ये रिएक्शन में खाली क्रोमियम कॉम्प्लेक्स और कोबाल्ट कॉम्प्लेक्स एक दूसरे के नजदीक आ गया, ये कोऑर्डिनेशन सेल इंटैक्ट हो गया और इलेक्ट्रॉन इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द क्रोमियम टू द कोबाल्ट। तो ये फर्स्ट आउटर स्पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर रिएक्शन। एंड सेकंड है खाली यहां पे वन ऑफ द अमोनिया लिगैंड है, we replaced by the chloride and chromium is there, yes, is a +2 oxidation state, cobalt is also present in a +2 oxidation +3 oxidation state, and here you see electron is transferred from the cobalt to the chromium to the cobalt, means reductant to the oxidant, and here cobalt is present in +2 oxidation state and chromium is present in +3. Here this chloride group present in a, that is the particularly oxidant, yes, that forms a bridge between chromium and the cobalt, and through that bridge electron is transferred from the chromium to the cobalt, and therefore it is a second type of the electron transfer, that is inner sphere electron transfer reaction. Then third type of the reaction, particularly in organic chemistry, that is reaction involving the ligand. Yes, that is a number of the times reactions are involved between the ligand present in that metal complex. The following processes are probably the most important for the reaction involving the ligand. First is that is the site blocking. Site blocking. Yes, here you see one of the site of the organic molecule is very reactive and you want to block that site and create that is the new reactive site. Then that first that organic molecule is forms a complex with that is the particularly that is metal ion, then block that is the most reactive site and create a new reactive site on which you can be carry out the organic reaction. Then second, polarization. Here you see if that any ligand forms a bond with a central metal ion, then that ligand may that becomes a polarized, because generally that ligand forms a bond with metal ion by a coordinate bond, means ligand gives the 2 electron and forms a bond between that is the metal and the ligand. Yes, and due to that donation of the ligand, may that ligand will be polarized. Then orientation. Yes, particularly if you want to do the catalysis, hydrogenation of the particularly that is ethylene by using platinum as a catalyst, then you know that yes, there is a due to the that ethylene is adsorbed on the surface of the catalyst. Yes, here you see or in concern the polymerization reaction also, here that orientation of that ethylene molecules or maybe that is the monomers of that polymer is or that is the is oriented particularly in particular direction, and therefore that hydrogenation reaction or maybe that is polymerization. Then electron transfer reaction, maybe electron transfer from the one ligand to the another ligand, and last one ligand migration and the insertion reaction, that is also polymerization, that reactions are taking place or that will be used for the particularly that is the polymerization yes reaction, that is the one of the example, that is Wilkinson catalyst. Yes, these are the third type reaction involving the ligand. Okay, thank you. This video is for the introduction of the inorganic reaction mechanism. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, then drop the message in message drop box and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.